If you're looking for a solid budget phone from Samsung that doesn't feel cheap, the Samsung Galaxy A07 is one you should definitely pay attention to. This phone nails the balance between price and performance, offering a large smooth screen, a reliable camera, good battery life, and even long-term software support, all without breaking your bank. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A07 features a 6.7-inch PLS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, giving you smoother animations and a better scrolling experience than standard 60Hz displays. The resolution is HD+, 720 x 1600, which keeps things efficient and power-friendly. On the build front, you'll find a glass front but a plastic frame and back, which helps keep the cost down while still feeling solid. It also has an IP54 rating, meaning it's dust-protected and splash-resistant, not waterproof, but good enough for everyday mishaps. Under the hood, the A07 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, a 6nm octa-core processor that delivers decent performance for everyday use like social media, light gaming, and multitasking. Depending on the variant, you can get 4 GB or even 6 GB of RAM, along with storage options of 64 GB, 128 GB, or up to 256 GB, and you can expand storage using a microSD card too. On the camera side, the Galaxy A07 packs a 50-megapixel wide sensor on the back, paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The rear setup can shoot video at 1080p, giving you good-looking clips for social media or casual use. For selfies, there's an 8-megapixel front camera, which is decent for video calls and occasional snapshots. Battery life is very solid. The A07 houses a 5,000 mAh battery, and while it's not a monster, it's enough to carry you through a full day of regular use. Charging is supported via 25-watt fast wired charging, so you can top it up fairly quickly when needed. On the software front, the phone runs Android 15 out of the box with One UI 7, and impressively, Samsung promises up to 6 major Android upgrades, which is huge. You're potentially covered for years with updates and security patches. For connectivity and features, the phone supports dual SIM, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, version 5.3, GPS, and has a USB-C port. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which many users still appreciate. In terms of color options, the A07 comes in a few clean, budget-friendly shades depending on the market. Think shades like graphite or gray, light violet or lilac, and dark green, giving you some style without going overboard. Now let's talk price, especially for Kenya. You'll find the Galaxy A07 going for around KSH 13,000 to KSH 14,500 for the 64GB variant, and up to about KSH 16,500 for the 128GB model depending on the retailer. That's very aggressive for what you're getting: a large 90Hz screen, good camera, and long-term support. So who is this phone for? If you want a reliable Samsung phone for everyday tasks, social media, browsing, some gaming, and you don't need 5G or ultra-premium specs, the A07 is a very compelling pick. However, if you are chasing super high performance, top-tier gaming, or 4K video, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, for its tier, the A07 gives remarkable value. Thanks for watching this deep review. If you liked this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to my tech space, Tech Simplified, and hit the bell so you don't miss more honest tech reviews. Drop a comment. Would you go for the Galaxy A07, or is there another budget phone you're eyeing right now?